Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Chad. I'm just a regular old drone enthusiast that loves flying drones and testing their limits and capabilities. So if you like that type of content, then go ahead and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know the next time I post my videos or I go live. All right, today we have the EX4 or Eachine EX4. All right, something new for my channel. This is my first official review. This drone was sent to me courtesy of Banggood. So I'm going to do a review on this. And if it's anything like my JJRC X12, which is actually this is a clone of the JJRC X12 and the CFly Faith, but they're all the same exact drone. However, I know, different manufacturers, whatever, may make them a little differently or something, or maybe different components or something. So I'm going to review this one and see if it actually could match up to my JJRC X12. If it could, or if it performs pretty much the same way, then they don't have anything to worry about. So just to go over the basic specs of this aircraft, it is a brushless. This drone has brushless motors. It also has a GPS. It's a GPS drone. It also has a 4K camera. But they advertise it as 4K. However, it is a 4K photo camera. You can take photos in 4K, and the video camera is actually 1080p, 24 frames per second. It has a 3-axis gimbal, which is good for the price point of this drone. It also offers a zoom or 50 times zoom. What they say lens zoom, but I'm more than certain that it's just a digital zoom. It has, of course, foldable arms, and it also has a few intelligent functions. I know a few of them being waypoints, tracking, and orbit. I'm not sure if this one has a couple more. I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right. Also, another good thing about this drone, it also has ultrasonic sensors with a optical flow camera to help with the altitude and help with the landing and all that stuff and keeping it positioned. So what we're going to do right now is just open up the box and see what's inside the kit. All right. So hold tight. All right. So here we go. The EX4. This is the condition I received it in the mail. As you can see, the box is a little banged up. I guess this is the norm, but I'm not going to spend too much time on the box. It's just a box, so let's open it up. Okay. All right, so you get a nice little bag with it. This is a nice little nylon bag with a couple compartments in it on the outside, a couple pockets. You get one here in the front, and you get one here in the back. All right, nice little carrying case here, so when you're on the go. So let's open this up here. All right, nice little compartments inside. Immediately you see here, you have your, I guess these are your operating manual. Everything you need to know about the aircraft here. And then also, it looks like safety guidelines for your battery safety guidelines. Very important. This comes with, also comes with a strap for your case here. You just attach it to the side, make it a little easier to carry, I guess. Then you also get your USB cord here. I guess this is for charging. This is for your charging your remote and your batteries. And then also looks like you get two spare props and the Allen wrenches along with it. Then also you get a this particular package or kit came with just one battery, but you can also get 2 or 3 batteries. As you can see here, they have compartments for 3 batteries. This one came with just one, and this battery is a 11.4 volt 2400 milliamp battery, and the actual flight time on the aircraft is advertised at 25 minutes. From my experience with the JJRC X12, I've got maybe, close to that actually, around 21 minutes of flight time. And also you get your remote here. I'll go over this in a minute. And here's your aircraft. So the aircraft has foldable legs, of course. You just fold them out like this, and you insert the battery just like this. Snap it in. Now with this, I didn't really hear a nice loud snap, but you want to give it a tug when you put it in, and also make sure these clips here are secure. Just to go over the aircraft real quick, you got these foldable landing legs here. Fold them out, get your brushless motors, and you got your 3-axis gimbal here. And then also you have your optical flow sensors here and your ultrasonic sensors. All right, and then also on the back, I think it's a indicator light. I guess you can turn it on and off here. And then also you have your indicator lights here in front as well. I'm not sure of the price right now for this aircraft, but it was around, maybe with one battery, around $200, maybe a little bit more. I'll put the link in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out if you want. But this is a pretty solid drone here. It has a little weight to it. I'm not sure of the weight as well. I'll look that up. But the top of this is a like a matted rubbery material here, and it also, as you can see, it mimics the Mavic Air. Also underneath this compartment, this is where you get your charging dock. You just plug in the USB, micro USB into back here. It is a 5-hour charging time, and just using this, maybe if you're thinking about plugging it into a computer or something, that won't work. You will have to plug this into the wall, and when it says when they say 5-hour charging time, it is a 5-hour charging time. So just to demonstrate on how you would actually insert this in there, you just put it in here, and it also gives you an indicator light without even plugging it up. It gives you an indicator to tell you how much. I can't really tell how much battery is in there, but it's flashing. I think it flashed like maybe 4 times here. So and it's a green light, so it has some battery power left in it. It has some juice in it. And then also, this is where you get your. You'll find your cell phone mount here. You can only get a phone in here. You won't be able to use a tablet. Also, this is a little flimsy. It's just straight plastic and a little flimsy. So, a tablet, even if you could fit a tablet in here or something like that, I don't think it'll be secure in here. So, but to attach this, you just take your remote, and you have a clip right here on the back, or insert right here on the back, and just clip it in. All right. Now to go over the remote, it's a nice little remote, kind of a little step up from the toy grade. You have your antennas here, which are actually real antennas. Actually, I can see the wire going through here right now, but these are real antennas. And also you have your mode button here. You can switch between modes, your altitude hold or whatever, your GPS mode and your altitude hold mode. And then also you have your return to home button here. And then you have your camera buttons. You can toggle between photos and video. And then right here you have your auto takeoff and auto land. And of course you have your power button here. You power it up, just hold it down. You should get green lights here. If they're red, then you know that the battery is running out. I believe you can get maybe 8 hours. I'm not sure. I believe it's 8 hours of battery life on this here. Now, like I said, this is it's fairly decent. Fairly decent remote here. The sticks here, they feel okay. They're plastic. They have a little grip on it, but from my experience with the JJRC X12, the controls are actually very responsive. Or the drone is very responsive to the controls, so it's fairly easy to fly. So now here you have your USB, micro USB to charge. All you do is just plug it in and plug it into the wall. And that's about it for this. So that'll wrap up the unboxing for the Eachine EX4. My next video will be the flight test, and I'll go through step by step the process of actually getting this thing up in the air, and also go over a few of the intelligent functions. So so stay tuned for that. Also in the future, actually videos after that, future videos after that, I will be doing a couple range tests. One without parabolic dishes, and one with parabolic dishes, and just to see if we can get out to the advertised distance. They advertise 1,000 meters for FPV, and then also 1,200 meters for just remote control. Now, if you haven't seen my JJRC X12 videos, I do have a few range tests in there. One of the range tests, I actually got out to 1,700 meters with parabolic dishes, and that was in a residential area. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. I'll put a card up here on the screen. Also, in the future, once I finish my review for this aircraft, I am thinking about doing a giveaway and actually giving this away. I don't have the details about it right now, but I am going to try to make this as fair as possible. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know the next time I post my videos or I go live. I also do live flights as well. Appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. But for now, guys, you guys take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.